Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Peasy Vocab. Today we are going to learn about adverbials. In the image, you can see a magician pulling a dove bird out of a cloth. The dove bird appeared magically. So, how did it appear magically? Magically is an adverb. The dove bird appeared as if by magic. Here, we call as if by magic as an adverbial. Why? Now, let's see what an adverbial is first to understand why we called as if by magic an adverbial. Adverbials do the same job as adverbs. So, now tell me, what does an adverb do? It modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, right? And it also tells us how, when, why, or where something happens. So, adverbials also do the same job as adverbs. They describe how, when, where, or why something happens. While adverbs are only one word, they're always one word. Adverbials are a phrase that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So, what is a phrase? Phrase means that it consists of two or more words. Now, let's see the components of an adverbial phrase. Adverbs. So, adverbs can be a part of an adverbial phrase, but there is no rule to have one. Nouns. So, what are nouns? Words used to classify a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. Pronouns. Words that substitute a noun like I, he, she, it, they, them, we, etc. Adjectives. Words used to describe a noun. Prepositions are words that describe the position of a particular noun or a pronoun. Articles are words such as a, an, or the used to determine the noun. So, an adverbial phrase can be formed using any of the above components. Like, for example, it can have a preposition, article, noun, preposition, pronoun, and a noun, adjective, and an adverb, adverb, preposition, a noun or a pronoun, preposition, adjective, article, noun, preposition, article, adjective, noun, multiple adverbs, and adjective. Now let's see some examples. Example of adverbials that tell us how something happens. In the first image, you can see a knight with a sword and shield. The knight fought with great courage. So, how did he fight? He fought with great courage. So, here with is the preposition, great is an adjective, and courage is the noun. It's the object of the preposition, right? So, definitely it is a noun. So, with great courage is an adverbial because we do have a phrase there consisting of two or more words. We do have three words there. In the second image, you can see a teacher and students in the classroom. The teacher asked the students to fill in the evaluation forms very carefully. So, how did the teacher say them to do or fill the evaluation forms? Very carefully. So, here you have multiple adverbs because very is an adverb and carefully is also an adverb. So, you have two adverbs in this sentence, and very carefully would be the adverbial because you have two words, right? It is a phrase. Examples of adverbials that tell us where something happens. So, in the first image, what can you see? You can see a cat hiding behind the curtain, right? The little kitty is hiding behind the curtain. Here, behind is the preposition, the is an article, curtain is the noun, object of the preposition. So, behind the curtain would be an adverbial. In the second image, you can see the Whole Foods market store. There is a new Whole Foods market right in front of my house. Right in front of my house is an adverbial. So, what is right? Right is an adverb. In front. In is the preposition, front is the noun of my house. Of is the preposition, my is the possessive pronoun adjective, and house is the noun. So, right in front of my house is the adverbial, and it is telling you where. So, where is the Whole Foods market, new Whole Foods market? It is just right in front of my house. Got it? Now, let's see examples of adverbials that tell us when something happens. That means they tell the time, right? In the first image, you can see a birthday girl. It's my birthday on the 10th of April. So, when is her birthday? On the 10th of April. On is the preposition, the is an article, 10th is the noun. Of April, of is the preposition, and April is also a noun. So, on the 10th of April is an adverbial. In the second image, you can see a girl who seems to be sad. Until last year, Tina struggled to adapt to the new school curriculum. So, until last year, here is the adverbial, right? Until is the preposition here. And last year is the adverbial phrase, adverb phrase. So, until last year is an adverbial phrase or adverbial. The next one, example of adverbials that tell us why something happens. In the first image, you can see a school bus covered in snow. And schools closed, you can see the board which says schools are closed, right? All schools will be closed for a week due to the heavy snowstorms. So, why are the schools closed? Due to the heavy snowstorms, right? So, due to the heavy snowstorms is the adverbial. Due is an adjective, to is the preposition, the is an article, heavy is describing the noun, right? So, heavy is an adjective, snow, storms will be the noun. Snow is the noun and storms is the noun. In the second image, you can see a boy with a broken plate on the floor. Kim's dad scolded him for breaking the glass plate. Here, for breaking the glass plate is the adverbial. So, why did he scold? Because he broke the glass plate, right? The next one is fronted adverbials. Adverbials often come at the end of a sentence. However, we can put them at the beginning of a sentence if they are important and needs to stand out. Those are called fronted adverbials. In the first image, you can see all the accessories needed for a vacation, right? Almost every year we go on a vacation. Here, almost is an adverb, every is an adjective, and year is a noun. So, almost every year is a fronted adverbial because it is coming in the start or the beginning of the sentence. In the second image, you can see some fire on the house, right? All of a sudden, there was a fire in the building. So, all of it would be an adverb here. A is an article and sudden is a noun. All of a sudden here is a fronted adverbial as it is coming at the start or beginning of a sentence. Because you have started off the sentence with all of a sudden, that would be fronted adverbial. In the last image, you can see two people saying hi, right? On the way to the hospital, I met my childhood friend. So here, on the way to the hospital is a fronted adverbial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thank you so much.